Imagine owning the largest shopping district on Earth. Not the stores, not the products, not the factories, only the land beneath them. Every merchant pays rent. Every customer passes through your streets. Every transaction strengthens your position. You produce nothing, yet value continuously accumulates. For centuries, retail power belonged to merchants. The best products won, the best stores expanded, the best brands survived. Then the internet changed the architecture. A new layer emerged, a layer sitting between buyers and sellers, a layer controlling discovery, trust, payments, and distribution. Most people think marketplaces sell products. They don't. Products are merely the visible output. The real product is coordination, the ability to organize commerce at scale. This is not a retail business, it is an infrastructure business, and the operators who understand this distinction are quietly positioning themselves at the center of global consumption. Today, we decode the blueprint behind the multi-vendor retail layer, a system transforming commerce into infrastructure. To control a system, you must first understand its architecture. Most users see products, categories, reviews, prices, and promotions. But products are only the surface. Beneath the interface exists a much larger machine. Layer 1, the supply layer. Thousands of merchants, manufacturers, brands, and distributors. Layer 2, the demand layer. Millions of customers searching for solutions, not products, solutions. Layer 3, the coordination layer. The infrastructure connecting one side to the other. Search systems, recommendation systems, trust systems, payment systems. Most entrepreneurs focus on inventory. History repeatedly rewards those who coordinate inventory. Because inventory requires capital, coordination requires architecture. Most people see products. The architect sees flows. Consider two businesses. The first sells products. Revenue appears only when its products sell. The second owns the marketplace. Revenue appears whenever any products sell. The distinction appears small. Its consequences are enormous. The merchant depends on inventory. The marketplace depends on activity. The merchant competes with other merchants. The marketplace benefits from competition. The merchant worries about demand. The marketplace profits from demand itself. As more sellers arrive, selection expands. As selection expands, buyers arrive. As buyers arrive, transactions increase, and every transaction reinforces the platform. This creates a remarkable economic engine. The marketplace does not need to predict which seller wins. It benefits from the existence of winners. And when a business profits from an ecosystem rather than individual outcomes, its position becomes extraordinarily resilient. The greatest power in retail is not production. It is discovery. A product that cannot be found cannot be purchased. A merchant that cannot be seen cannot grow. This creates a fascinating shift. The marketplace gradually becomes more important than the inventory inside it, because the marketplace controls visibility, search rankings, recommendations, trust signals, consumer behavior. Over time, the platform accumulates something more valuable than products: attention. And attention is one of the most powerful assets in the digital economy. The strongest marketplace operators understand this. They do not merely facilitate transactions, they influence discovery. And whoever influences discovery influences demand itself. This brings us to the blueprint. Most entrepreneurs ask, what should I sell? A more powerful question exists. What commerce flow can I coordinate?
The strongest opportunities often emerge inside fragmented markets, specialized industries, passionate communities, niche categories, underserved buyers. Identify recurring transactions. Then identify friction, discovery friction, trust friction, selection friction, distribution friction. Build infrastructure around those bottlenecks, not around products, around exchanges. The customer does not care how the marketplace operates. The customer cares about convenience, trust, selection, and efficiency. The technology becomes invisible, the transaction becomes valuable. And when transactions become habitual, the marketplace becomes indispensable. This is where leverage emerges, not from selling products, but from facilitating commerce itself. The industrial economy, scaled production. The internet economy, scaled distribution. The marketplace economy is scaling commerce itself. Most people see merchants. Most people see products. Most people see online stores. The architect sees infrastructure, a coordination layer, a discovery network, a scalable utility. The technology will improve. The logistics will become faster. The customer experience will become smoother. But the underlying principle remains unchanged. The greatest fortunes are rarely built by owning every product. They are built by controlling the systems through which products move. Most people sell inventory. The architect owns the marketplace. Most people compete for customers. The architect facilitates demand. Most people operate stores. The architect builds the city where stores operate. This is Nexera, decoding systems, architecting wealth.